కింద పెట్టుకో, కింద పెట్టుకో, ఫ్లోర్ పైన పెట్టుకో. స్లీపింగ్ లైన్ in the center of the page, pages, in the center of the page. Fast. Okay. Sleeping line. Ikkada. Okay. See, sleeping line and standing line. Yes. Okay. Again, you put like this. Line, cross line. Yes, yes, exactly. Very good. Again like this. Do it. Okay, very good. It is very easy to make rangoli. Okay na? Chala easy.